viewers, Kamabuhay, live and alive. Once again, I have revisited my favorite nearby shopping center, the Vista Mall of Davao. It's still Christmas time here in the shopping center. And as I asked the guard, I really have proven what my friend Romy have told me, that this New Year, this area of formerly appliances will be converted into a food court. Yeah. So this is an exciting news for everyone here nearby Mintal, Vista Mall, and NCCC Supermarket, as well as department store. Soon to open on this area, the food court of Vista Mall, Davao City. So I'm super excited to witness the opening of this food court here in Vista Mall, Davao. As you can see, there's still some furnitures, appliances here, but this will be later be transferred to the other location, but still here in Vista Mall, Davao. And it will be on the first floor according to the guard. So really, I'm excited. Another episode soon that Davaoeño will experience here in Mintal, Davao. So I'm announcing to everyone, those who are here in Davao, soon to open food court, Vista Mall, Davao City. Are you excited? Yes, I'm also excited. A big space for us to be accommodated here. Wow. I love also these plants. This is, I think, for sale. Let's look at the price. There is no price here. 7,999.75. It's a plastic flower. Really, I love this one. I do not know what's the name of this flower. More than 7,000, almost 8,000. Here's another flower. Let's look at the price. Wow, 11,999.75. Okay, for those who are lovers of flowers, here are the artificial flowers here in Vista Mall, Davao. Wow, the palm is plastic. But I have previously, before pandemic time, I have my really the alive palm plants, but now no more. It looks like really the real one, but it's plastic. So that's it. My day in Davao City, featuring this covered court, or rather food court, soon to rise. So viewers, Kamabuhay, and Kamabuhayers, join me soon our eating time here in Mintal, Davao. Let's look for other plants. I do not know if still this is for sale, but there is no price. Oh, that one, the bamboo. I love that one, bamboo. Oh, it looks like a kasla. This kasla, but it's plastic. There's the price. Bamboo plants. I love also that bamboo plants. So I'm second floor of Mintal, Davao. For today, this is my another edition of Mabuhay channel. Thank you everyone, and see you soon. So thank you to Romy Lastimoso, my friend here, is working in Vista Mall of Davao, who shared me this information a few months ago that this New Year will be finally open. Food court here in Vista Mall, Davao City. Also the location of NCCC Supermarket and Department Store. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao, magandang buhay. Thank you, kamabuhayers. See you soon, food court, Vista Mall, Davao City. Mabuhay! Signing off. The teacher being Erlinda being Basilio Rington. Until my next vlog. Mabuhay!